Hi, it's Nancy. I'm the Ageless Skin Coach, and today we're going to talk about dry skin and finding ways to fix dry skin. Dry skin is a symptom that something is not going right in your body. So it could be that you're stressed. It could be that it could be the environment. It could be that you're not drinking enough water. It could be that you're drinking enough water, but you're not having enough lipids in your skin, or eating a diet that's rich in vegetables and fruit and all those things and fish oils that help the lipids in the skin. So when you talk about dry skin is a skin condition, but it is a symptom of something not going right in the body. So I encourage you, if you do have dry skin, to not just kind of go, oh, well, I just have dry skin, but to also realize that you need to figure out what else is going on in the 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗘𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘, so you can fix what is not making your skin like the normal way it should feel would be smooth, hydrated, glowy, and baby skin, which is what we like to see. So now we're going to go into a couple of ingredients that are on my target list if I'm looking for something that is a body oil or a body lotion, something that's going to fix your dry skin. Even, face is a little bit different, and that's more intense to me because we always are seeing face, but a lot of times we forget our bodies, and it's such an important part because it is everything. So there are some ingredients that will actually repair the skin. So when you have dry skin, so what ends up happening is your skin barrier now has been compromised. So the skin barrier is not doing well. So that's why it's dry. And if you saw pictures of it, you would see that it's almost like in a cracked position, and there's some valleys and some areas where it has even deeper areas, which helps to start the wrinkles in the skin. So hence you need a good daily routine. But what ends up happening is that dry skin starts to tear down the rest of the skin. So fixing it is important, but it is a skin barrier problem. So first on the hit list is my all-time favorite. It is hyaluronic acid. You will see it in many forms, but hyaluronic is a moisture binder. It binds 1,000 times more than a moisture, anything else you could do. You can put it on, your skin will attract 1,000 times more moisture if you had not put any hyaluronic on. So it's very, very powerful for pulling moisture out of the air. So if you put on hyaluronic acid and then you put a mineral oil over the top of it, you are thus, or coconut oil or baby oil, which we talked about before, you are effectively blocking any of the moisture from coming to the skin because it will not make it through the actual mineral oil or the baby oil or the coconut, because it will block it. So hyaluronic is very important. Glycerin is another moisture binder. It is used for a lot of ingredients. It's not one of my all-time favorites, but I really prefer ceramides instead, because ceramides are kind of like a glue to the skin. So glycerin will attract water, but ceramides makes the glue around the cells, so it sort of helps to like plump up the cells. And if you can use them all together, it's even better. If you can find something that has all three of them, it will give you a really super plump feeling. And now what is the vehicle that it's going to travel in? So you want to look for what is called an emollient. So an emollient is something that will help build the moisture in the skin. One of my favorite oils of all time is squalene, as SQUALANE oil. Another one is jojoba, jojoba oil, jojoba oil, and both of those are amazing at helping to build the emolliency in the skin, but they're great for vehicle if you're just looking for oils that you can use on top of your 3 dry skin repairs. Those are wonderful for actually repairing the dry skin. When it comes to the face, that's a whole nother conversation, but these will help repair your dry skin.